Let's talk about something very common, most women experience, but few openly discuss. Have you been noticing persistent discharge that just doesn't feel right? That moment when you pause and wonder, is this normal, or is my body trying to tell me something? Leucorrhoea, the medical term for vaginal discharge, is often completely normal, part of your body's natural self-cleaning system. A small amount of clear or milky discharge is healthy, that typically appears as a whitish or slightly yellow discharge, varying in texture and smell. But here's when to pay attention. If you notice thick, sticky, dark yellowish or greenish discharge, a strong or unpleasant odor, or persistent changes, it may no longer be normal. Other warning signs include itching or irritation, pelvic discomfort, pain during urination or intercourse, and lower abdominal pain. It's commonly linked to hormonal fluctuations, like around monthly cycle, pregnancy, or menopause, infections such as yeast or bacterial vaginosis, and even stress. But that's not all. Poor gut health, weakened immunity, intimate hygiene imbalance, and conditions like diabetes can also play a role. Always consult your GP or gynecologist first to rule out underlying conditions. If ignored or left untreated, leucorrhoea isn't just a minor inconvenience, it can gradually disrupt your daily well-being. What starts as mild discomfort may turn into persistent irritation, recurring infections, and ongoing unease. Over time, deeper imbalances can develop, potentially leading to chronic pelvic inflammation and, in more serious cases, complications affecting reproductive health. Conventional care mainly focuses on antifungal or antibacterial medications, alongside hygiene guidance. If you're looking to support your body's natural defenses alongside professional medical advice, there are several widely recommended holistic approaches worth exploring. Please be sure to read the disclaimer and check with your doctor or a qualified naturopath prior to following any remedy suggested for proper dosing and guidance, etc. Traditionally recommended herbal supplements include neem, shatavari, ashoka, triphala, turmeric, ashwagandha, and calendula. Top suggested aromatherapy diluted essential oils for external use. Tea tree, lavender, bergamot, geranium, chamomile, and clary sage. Gentle yet powerful homeopathic personalized support. Most commonly suggested, as first-line sepia and pulsatilla, supportive and constitutional options include calcarea carbonica, borax, and creosotum. For the best results, the remedies should be carefully selected to match your unique condition and peculiar signs and symptoms. Daily supplements for overall balance. Probiotics, zinc, and vitamin C. Time-tested home remedies used for centuries, rooted in nature and traditional wisdom. Fenugreek water. Soaking these seeds overnight and drinking the water can help maintain internal pH levels. Lifestyle balance also matters. Hydration, cotton underwear, avoiding harsh soaps, and gut-friendly nutrition can all support overall feminine wellness. Listen to your body and stay balanced. Focus on internal harmony rather than just surface symptoms. Still unsure where to start or which path to follow? Book a personalized consultation at Mind and Body Clinic to explore holistic care tailored to you, or visit our unique website. Select your condition, match symptoms from the drop-down menus, and shop your starter remedies kit. It is that simple. Take a moment to read our reviews before placing your order. The kit may include herbal and nutritional supplements, essential oil blends, homeopathic remedies, plus dietary and lifestyle guidance for overall well-being. Avoid self-medication. The wrong choice, even with herbs, can be dangerous. Always seek proper guidance. Thank you for watching. For further help or advice, etc., feel free to send us a text message. If you found this content useful, please like, comment, share, subscribe the channel, and follow for more natural and science-backed health tips.